Hello friends. Okay, so let's talk about enhanced networking now. So it is another way for us to get better networking performance for our EC2 instances. And so we have the type EC2 enhanced networking SR IOV. Okay, it gives us higher bandwidth and higher PPS packets per second, which is with a lower latency. And this is something that can come in the exam. Also, we have two options for this. First one is Elastic Network Adapter ENA, which supports till 100 gigabits per second, and option 2 is, or choice 2 is Intel 8259 VF to 10 Gbps. Okay, this is legacy. So this EC2 enhanced networking, especially the ENA adapter, works for the newer generations, or you can say the latest generations of EC2 instances, as we will see in the hands-on practical. Okay. Also, then we have elastic fiber adapter, fabric adapter, you can say, which is an improved ENA dedicated for HPC. Okay, it only works on Linux. Great for internode communication, tightly coupled workloads, as we know, because they live in the same cluster. So we have a lot of internal node communication, and those node communications are tightly coupled. Okay, then there is MPI. This MPI is basically, like, suppose when they are living in the same cluster, then they are going to get better network performance, okay, while talking to each other. So when talking to one another, this is going to leverage a standard, and this standard is called MPI standard, which is message passing interface. Okay, and the idea is that Elastic Fabric Adapter is having a higher performance because our EC2 instances are talking with one another, and so it knows that it will bypass the underlying Linux OS to provide low latency, reliable transport. So this is all we have now for theory. Let's move on to hands-on, and we will see what are the drivers for like older generation and newer generation. In older generation, we will see T2 dot micro, and in newer generation, we will be seeing, suppose, T3 dot micro. We will be making an instance, and then we will be doing some hands-on. So let's move on to hands-on. So this is my instance. This is T2 dot micro. I have already made it. So I'll just start it for now. Okay, I'll just start it. Until then, I'll make another instance of T3 dot micro. Okay, newer version instance type. So let us name this like slash slash only. Let us not name it anything. AMI. Okay, Amazon Linux 2 AMI I'll be selecting, which is also free tier eligible to me. Instance type will be T2 dot micro. It is now, it will be T3 dot micro. T3, just look, T3 dot micro will not be free because T2 dot micro is free to me, so it is chargeable. So if you are making an instance of T3 dot micro or any not free eligible instance, so make sure you stop it to make it some cost effective. Okay, now I'll select a key pair, which is my key. Then I'll just keep all the settings as default. I'll launch this instance now. Okay, so this instance is successfully initiated now. Now I'll be just checking, I'll be refreshing this, and here it is, my instance, it is running right now. And let us connect to T2.micro first. Okay, let us connect to T2.micro instance. Okay, this is the username, EC2 user. I'm good with it, I'm okay with it. Okay, so now we have already connected our T2.micro instance. Now we are going to write some basic commands to check, like mod info space ENA, and this will just show us the information, and this is installed now. Now we'll be writing another command to check the drivers, which are the drivers in this, and whether it is a latest driver, like it is ENA or not. We will check it right now. So we will just see eth tool minus h0 minus I. Okay, I forgot that, minus I, and then h0. Just click enter. You can see driver is our VIF. Okay, this is an older version. Now in T3 dot micro we will check whether it is a newer version or not. So let us connect to t3.micro instance. This is an instance type, and let us connect to it. Now you can see I am already connected into my t3.micro instance, which is a newer version of instance. And yep, let us write mod info space ena. And as I have connected Amazon Linux 2, so this is same version 2.10.0. And let us now write another command, which was uh, ethtool dash I eth0. And let us see, this driver is our ENA. This is nothing but ENA, which is new version, new driver. So yep, we have enhanced our networking. So this is how we can enhance our networking by making newer type of instances. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's meet in our next video.